Hey, it's Green Bay Wacky here. I got a quick message for you because you know what I like to do is just open your eyes to how YouTube works and what some people are doing. Today I want to talk about people, channels, content creators all over YouTube. I'm not pointing the finger at anyone in particular that buy their way to the top or think they're going to buy the way to the top. And here's how it works. They have services that they use on the internet. And by the way, this is very much against YouTube policies. They buy views and they buy subscribers so that they make their channel look better, bigger, badder, so you respect them more. But you know what? It's fake.
And I'll bet you didn't know when you get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, you get a silver play button. But guess what? When you buy your subscribers and buy your views, no silver play button for you. That's a fact. That's in the YouTube guidelines.
Now, here's how it works. A lot of people didn't even know this. I assumed everyone knew this. There are services out there that you can get whatever you want. You want 1,000 views on your videos? You want 2,000, 10,000, 500? How much do you want to add to just kind of make it look better? Go to a service on the internet. You'll get that. You want more subscribers? You can get them. Just whip out a credit card. That's all you have to do.
Oh, did I mention that some people put phony accounts and bots onto their live streams? The reason they do this is to make their live stream look a lot more busy. Because if you see a busy live stream, let's say 150, 200, 300 people in the chat, you assume that must be a very popular channel. But they actually do this to keep up appearances. This happens all the time on YouTube, all over YouTube. Don't ever do it. It's fake. It's phony. You want real supporters. Next time you're in a busy live stream, click the 3 dots on the right and look at the participants. Do you really think there's that many people lurking? Seriously.
By the way, I'm not pointing the finger at any particular channel. I just want to open your eyes. Me and actually a lot of people I know like to investigate channels when we see things. Now, why do we do that? Are we jealous? Hell no. No. We like to applaud hard work and real growth. But fake growth, to me, isn't even worth applauding. It's fake. And you, if you're a channel that does this, when you go look at your channel and your numbers, you know they're fake. So how can you get excited about it? Here's how it works. You can, as a person, if you want to check into a channel, if you see spikes, you're like, wow, they got 7,000 subscribers and they're getting 20 views on their videos, right? Good chance they really don't have 7,000 subscribers. They probably got them from sub for sub. That's number one bullshit, but that's a little easier. The harder ones to spot are when you see videos that have lots of views, 20, 30,000, 10,000. The best way, there's a simple formula, okay? Look at the videos, look at the number of thumbs up and thumbs down, and look at the comments. Comments on videos is very important. Now, I'm not talking about live streams. A lot of live streams upload. I get it, not a lot of comments on those. Talking about videos. So the videos will have, let's say you find a video and you're like, well, you're looking over a channel like, wow, 600 views, 700 views. Now, all of a sudden they got videos with 11,000, 30,000, 40,000. And you're like, is that real? Go look at the comments and you see 75 comments, 100 comments on a video with that many views? No, that's not real. And then you even investigate the comments even more and you see that a lot of them are troll accounts. Because see, that's what they do. What they do is they buy the views to prop the video up. Then they want to pad the comments to get as many content out there to make it look plausible. And they use these fake accounts to actually leave comments. So you'll see a high, now I'm not saying some accounts that don't have the little icon that you might consider a troll is not real. It's all proportionate to the thumbs up, thumbs down in the comments. Now, you can investigate on Social Blade. A lot of people didn't know that. Social Blade, just how it sounds. You can go check out a channel and find any channel and you start looking at patterns. You look at how many views they got for a day, how many subscribers they got, and the patterns, and you're like, I don't get this. They were getting 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and jeepers, now it's like 70, 80, 90. And you're looking at their views. Trust me, it takes a little while to get trained how to investigate channels, but I'm pretty well trained, and a lot of my friends are as well. No jealousy here, nothing like that. I love to applaud success, but I like to call out bullshit when it's bullshit. And I want you to know it's okay to study channels. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. It's all public information, because I think you would want to know. It doesn't even mean when I find out some of the stuff that I know channels that have bought so many subs and so many views. It's insane, and they got kind of busted for it. But you know what? I still go there. Doesn't mean I don't like them and I'm going to unsubscribe. But I just like to know what's real and what's fake. So do a little diligence, find out for yourself. I just want you to be aware that this is going on. They do it for different reasons. They do it to make themselves look good. Some of them do it to slip by the algorithm and actually get paid. There's all kinds of reasons, but you know what? Karma's a bitch. Karma's a bitch. It's gonna catch up with you. That's all I have to say. Be aware of it. Social Blade, if you want to investigate channels, it's very simple. Look at their views, look at their comments, look at the thumbs up, thumbs down, and use Social Blade to do some investigating. That's it. Green Bay Wacky out.